I see you pulling up to meet me.
Because when I work on a Sunday, it doesn't feel like work because technically it's
I know you didn't have to drive, you don't live far from me.
that I have to work a little bit.
I know we're friends, and baby, something's on my mind.
I think the best thing about it is just how real it was.
So I apologize for taking all this time, but I got to tell you. No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do?
Other hand isn't done yet, but this is my favorite part after I do my nails. Basically, you can just kind of wiggle and pop these forms off, and your nail is just like that. Just pop it off. There you go, and then we're gonna file and shape them later.
I know at times you find it really hard to sleep.
Because I need the afternoon. Is this my nail or is it?
Seeing what's at stake. Would you be my girl?
Do. Hello. It's working. Hi, Ryan. 그러니까. I'm an octave. Where am I going? I'm just catching up on some YouTube while playing this game. I've been meaning to try Among Us, but I haven't started it yet. I don't know. Sorry. And I also have a canker sore, and it's right. I have two because I bit my own lip, so it just became two canker sore, and it's like right here, and it really hurts right now, so I can barely talk normally. I'm getting really distracted now, but you know how I was doing my nails yesterday, but I decided that maybe I want to give myself some like French tips. I've been really liking this style where it's like only one side of it, and then also I've been seeing some really cute Halloween nail art that I want to recreate, but I don't really celebrate Halloween, so it's kind of extra if I make it. What do you think? Is that cute? I tried to do some Halloween nail art, but I don't have black, so I'm just gonna wipe it off.
That was like a nail charm or gemstone or whatever. Like
Eating some udon with some beef brisket, an egg, salmon, so some spam, little coconut drink. so good. Can you guys hear the rain? Maybe not, but good morning. It's Tuesday after Thanksgiving, and I just woke up and I look so bad. I was going to make Binu a cover for her crate, but I kind of stopped working on it. But good morning, Beans. Oh my gosh, you look very messy too. Come on. Come on. Hi, baby. Good morning. She goes right to my parents' room in the morning. Bean, sit down. She's not even sitting, she's just scratching. Bean, sit down. Bean, sit down. Sit. Okay. Go. It didn't work. I need you to make your scariest face to chase it away. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! We did it. We scared it away. High five. My desk is so messy right now, but I'm currently eating my instant noodles, and it's hard to show you guys, but I'm having shin ramen with cheese and an egg, but the egg ended up having 2 egg yolks, so it's kind of like 2 eggs. I have just under 30 minutes before my next class, so I'm gonna catch up with a drama that I've started recently. Also, the Blackpink movie is out, and I'm gonna try and get Ryan to watch this with me on the weekend. But I started a new drama on Netflix, and it is called Do Do So So La La So. And I'm on episode 3. I actually really like it. I've been watching a lot of more lighthearted dramas just because it's easier to digest during school, but at the same time I'm watching some intense ones. But this is a lighthearted one. It's a rom-com. They just started and someone's abs just flashed right in front of me, but
later.
This is like the only angle that like works for my desk, but I'm not feeling very productive today, so I'm just going to finish the night off with some of my schoolwork. As I'm finishing up my schoolwork, I'm gonna be eating ice cream, and this is London Fog from Rain or Shine, and they're like one of my favorite ice cream shops in Vancouver. And I got this a while ago, but I have been eating it so slowly. It's just so good. Say good night. Good night.